Chopped onion, 2 pieces. Ghee, 3 tablespoons. Saute until onion are golden brown. Cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon. Black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Saute as per taste. Dry lemon, 5 pieces. Boiled chickpeas, 2 cups. Roasted almonds, cashew nuts and raisins, 50 grams. Tomato paste, 2 tablespoons. Combine and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Mutton. Water enough to cook meat. Green cardamom, 8 to 10 pieces. Cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon. Cloves, 15 to 20 pieces. Black cardamom, 3 to 4 pieces. Bay leaves, 6 to 7 pieces. Saute as per taste. Chicken cube, 1 piece. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. Cover with foil paper and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until mutton is ready. Green chilies, 2 pieces. Chopped onion, 1 piece. Take out the mutton pieces. Coat the pieces with Arabic whole masala. Brush with saffron water. Bake until color is golden. To the remaining water of mutton, add soaked rice. Turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon. Cook until 1/3 water left only. Set the baked mutton pieces. Ghee, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Separate the mutton pieces first. In serving dish, add the prepared chickpea masala on top. Top up with almonds, cashew nuts and raisins.